The Kansas Turnpike is a cashless toll system. There is no on-road toll collection. Toll transactions are calculated when you drive through a toll zone. The toll rate per mile is based on the number of axles on your vehicle and whether your vehicle is identified by a compatible transponder or license plate. You'll pay the lowest toll when you use a K-tag or compatible transponder, 50% less than image-based transactions. If you use a compatible transponder that is not K-tag, you will continue to be billed by your transponder's agency while saving 50% on Kansas tolls. Find which passes are accepted on driveks.com. If you don't use a K-tag or compatible transponder, your license plate is used to identify vehicle registration information. Setting up a DriveKS account before you travel is the easiest way to pay and track your tolls. If you don't set up a DriveKS account before you use the Kansas Turnpike, a mailed bill will be sent to the vehicle's registered owner. If you receive a bill in the mail, you can make a one-time payment or save a payment method for future use. Mailed bills include a small fee to offset mailing costs. DriveKS allows customers to manage tolls in one account. You can use our toll calculator to calculate how much your toll will be in advance. Whether you have a compatible transponder like K-tag or want to be billed via license plate, travel on the Kansas Turnpike has never been easier.